Hi, I am J. Ramanaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. Today we are discussing about the topic Unit 3, Manufacturing Methods of Composite Materials, Lecture number 2. Here in this lecture we are discussing about the topic Manufacturing Method, the name Filament Winding Method. So this is the schematic diagram about filament winding method. Here the main components of filament winding method as follows: fiber creel, here resin impregation system, carriage, rotating mandrel. These are the four main important parts of filament winding method. This is the overall schematic diagram. These are the following steps to fabricate the composite with the help of filament winding method. This process is used in the fabrication of components or structures made with flexible fibers. In filament winding method, fiber strands are unwound and passed continuously to the resin tank. In resin tank, fiber strands are impregnated completely with the resin. Now, these resin impregnated strands are passed into a rotating mandrel. These standards are wound around the mandrel in a controlled manner and in a specific fiber orientation. This is the overall schematic diagram about filament winding method. Next, what are the matrix materials are used in filament winding method? Epoxy, polyester, polyvinyl ester. These are the main important matrix materials. Next, reinforcement. What are the reinforcement materials? Fiberglass, carbon fiber, boron fiber, armand fiber. These are the important reinforcement materials for the filament winding method. What are the advantages of filament winding method? Resin content is controlled by nips or dies. One of the advantage. The process can be easily fast, very fast. That means the process can be very fast. The process is economic, complex. Fiber patterns can be attained for better load bearings of the structure. These are the main important advantages. What are the disadvantages of filament winding method? Resins with low viscosity are needed. Disadvantage. The process is limited to convex shaped components. Fiber cannot easily be laid exactly along the length of a component. Mandrel cuts for large components can be hinged. The external surface of the component is not smoothly finished. These are the main disadvantages of filament winding. What are the important applications? To fabricate pressure bottles, rocket motor casing, chemical storage tanks, pipelines, gas cylinders, for firefighters, breathing tanks. These are the important applications of filament winding process. Thank you, one and all.